Welcome to the SailSavvy channel on our new DIY video series. Today we're taking a look at Jerry's do-it-yourself, single-handed, on-deck mast stepping system. Today's episode is hosted by Magnus, co-hosted by Captain Cognac, and we have with us today our very special guest star, Jerry. The system is made out of 4 parts, and the first one we're going to take a look at is the stern roller, which is a very simple wooden frame that fits over the stern railing and has a roller and a guide for the mast to roll on. Next, we have the Hinge tabernacle, which is what allows the mast to pivot up and down. The gym pole is a crucial component, since without it changing the angle, you wouldn't be able to bring the mast up from its dead horizon position. And last but not least, we have the winch, which in the first iteration was a manual hand crank winch, which has then been upgraded to an electric winch in this case. Depending on what kind of mast step you have, you could either bolt side plates to it, like in Jerry's case, or you could have a plate made that goes under the existing step with an allowance for side plates from there from which to add the hinges to. From my own perspective, it's the well thought through design of the 4 individual components that make the entire system work so flawlessly and near effortlessly. While the parts may look expensive to get done, when you ask local metals wholesaler for materials pricing and the nearest aluminum welder for the labor cost, you might be positively surprised at how low a cost you can put this entire system together for. I would not skimp on material thickness. To me, viewing how this is done by one person, I believe that the heavy-duty construction is a part of why it operates as smoothly as it does. I really like Jerry's design for the gym pole. One, the way it really grips around the mast without any modifications needed to the mast itself, and the fact that it's in 2 pieces, which allows you to get a longer gym pole once it's all up. And the longer the gym pole is, the better leverage your poor winch is going to get. Another interesting design detail is how the frame for the winch hooks onto the 2 bow line cleats and then locks in onto hardware on the pulpit. For more details on this project, be sure to check out SailSavvy.org. Thanks for watching. This is Magnus with Captain Cognac and Jerry standing by on channel SailSavvy.